I really like. Hey guys, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Today we're going to be making koftas. Quick update. We're going to be drawing the winner of this on Sunday. So it'll be on video on YouTube and we'll post it on Instagram as well. Let's get you started. Right, for this one, we're going to start by dicing up some onion and garlic. Going to follow up by plopping in your mince, add the spice mix, give it a good mix around. Then we're going to add in some olive oil, 1 egg and our breadcrumbs and give that a good mix. Then we're going to let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While the mix is resting in the fridge, we can soak our wooden skewers.
Later that same evening.
Next we're going to mold on the koftas to the skewers and get them ready for the barbecue.
A few moments later.
Now get your barbecue lid.
Do like a little whoosh, and then
Oh, we're not so different after all.
Pop them on barbecue and seal them on each side to get some colour. Turn them occasionally until they peek through. Thanks for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.